How to fix disabled account cannot be contacted on Instagram. So first of all, you need to click your DMs, all right? And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and restrict and unrestrict that person, right? So first of all, open the conversation between you and that person, right? And then basically what you're gonna do, you could just go ahead and click on their profile, right? And then click the three dots at the top right. You're gonna click restrict, okay? And you're gonna unrestrict, and that should fix your problem, okay? And now, if it didn't fix that problem, just go again to their profile, right? And then click unfollow, and then follow that person again, all right? So that should fix your problem. If it didn't, what you're gonna do, you could just go back to your screen, all right? And then basically what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead and make sure that your Instagram is fully updated to the latest version. If you still facing that same issue, go back again, right? And click the person, click the person's profile, right? And then what you're gonna do, click the three dots at the top right, click block, and basically unblock them, and that should fix your problem. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.